8. Use of free funds. The use of free funds in Zimbabwe has always been allowed since time immemorial. It has remained virtually unchanged. The unfettered or unrestrained use of free funds is in line with regional and best practice, as free funds are outside the exchange control territory of the country. Free funds play a critical role in exerting confidence in the economy and in promoting economic development. They constitute, in the case of Zimbabwe, around 30% of Zimbabwe's total export earnings. So it's a big chunk. 30% of 4 billion is our free funds in this country. Free funds are made up of diaspora remittances, funds remitted into the country by international organizations, embassies, non-governmental organizations, NGOs, donations, and any other funds realized by individuals from offshore activities like consultants, legal practice outside the country. These are all free funds. The bank would therefore like to reassure all holders of free funds that their funds in Zimbabwe are very safe and secure. The same is true for all other foreign currency accounts, in that the current export retentions are being maintained at their current levels. The bank has therefore no appetite at all to tamper with the legal status of the public's foreign currency accounts. We don't have any appetite whatsoever. Allowing the use of free funds within the national economy for the payment of customs duties on selected products, paying for emergency passports at the registrar's office, procurement of basic commodities such as food items and fuel under the direct fuel import scheme should not be misconstrued as going back to dollarization, but rather as a common good for the country to promote the inflows of free funds from the diaspora and necessary to buttress the confidence that is needed under the de-dollarization process.